Ailsa and welcome back to your virtual code club here on Library Yay. Each week I'll introduce you to a fun and interactive coding project for you to take part in at home. We've already been through a beginner's block. If you haven't had a go at that one yet, then have a search back on Library Yay and try that out first. I'll also include a link to our YouTube Code Club playlist in this post. So we're now moving on to our 12-week advanced Code Club block, which will feature 6 projects on Python coding language before moving back to 6 advanced Scratch projects. But first, here's a wee reminder about what Code Club's all about. Code Club is part of the UK-based charity the Raspberry Pi Foundation. Their aim is to offer all children, regardless of background, the opportunity to learn to code. It's a great opportunity for your 9 to 13-year-olds to have fun and get creative whilst learning to make cool games and animations. Code Club not only helps build your IT and computing skills, but it also helps with communication, problem solving and literacy skills as well. Resources are free and open to all, but you do need a digital device and internet access to take part. This is why our libraries often make the ideal setting, but for now we'll be bringing our Code Club to you in your own homes. For each Code Club, I'll be here to explain the project to you, link you to your step-by-step instructions, and of course I'll be on hand to help you if you get stuck along the way. Python is a more complex, text-based coding language and is the one we'll be using for the first half of this advanced Code Club block. It requires accuracy and attention to detail, and as a result there's a lot more room for error. But don't let that put you off, as we'll be starting with the very basics. Last week at Code Club you learned how to make a program that plays rock, paper, scissors using variables and conditional statements. This week you'll use loops to draw a racetrack and create a racing turtle game. You'll learn to write for loops, use random numbers and draw lines in different colours with Python Turtle. You'll find your link to your full instructions within this post, but don't forget to use the comments field below to let us know how you're getting on. Don't forget to join us at the same time next week for Team Chooser.